boy. Right, baby, taste like cherry, kiwi, real big titty, double ladies.
Alright guys, so first I'm going to start off by picking my hair because I want it to be nice and full. I want my puff to be big, voluptuous, or how you say that? Well, however you say it. I just want my hair to be big, so I'm just going to pick it out until I get the volume that I need. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to take a shoelace or some type of string, put it behind my head, cross it over, and just pull tight until I get, the puff where it needs to be. And I'm just going to fluff it out, make sure that's how I like it. That's where I want my puff to be. I'm thinking I'm cute, period. But yes, that's what you're going to do to try and get your puff. Okay, and now I'm going to take the two ends of the string and just wrap them around my hair and tuck them so I can hide them. Alright, now I'm going to take the Wetline Extreme Gel and take a good amount and put it on the roots of my hair. Right now I'm just finishing up some gel in some places, get a nice good amount there. Then I'm going to take my puff out and begin actually brushing it up to get a nice sleek puff. And I add more gel to my hair if I see that I need it, because I like my puffs to be really, really sleek. So I add gel whenever I think more is needed and continue to keep brushing it up. So I add gel, brush it up, add gel, and brush it up. Alright, now that we're done with that, we're going to put our puff back in. So remember to put the string behind your head, crisscross them, and pull tightly. And then you're just going to wrap them around your hair. So the very, very ends of your string, you're just going to tuck that underneath of your puff and hide it so no one can see. And just fluff your puff out. If you need to pick it out to make it bigger, do that. Add more gel if you need gel, sleek it, however you need to do. Alright, so now you're going to grab your silk scarf, okay? And you're going to wrap it around your hair to lay that thing down, honey, because you want that thing slick. You're going to tie it on there, and you're going to leave it on your hair for 10-20 minutes. But my head be hurting. I don't know how y'all be leaving it on for 20 minutes, but yeah. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to sleek my sideburns down with some gel. Just do a little swoop on my sideburns, just to have them nice and neat. I don't know how long it's been, but my head is throbbing. So I'm going to go ahead and take this scarf off. And y'all, that thing's sleek. Yes, honey. She's sleek. So now I'm just going to fluff out my hair some more, make it bigger, get it looking right because it's looking crazy. And I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. Alright, now I'm going to use my favorite edge control to do my edges. It's called Edge Effect, and it's really good. It be laying my thing. So if you got kinky curly hair like me, go ahead and cop that edge control. So first I'm just going to put the edge control all along my edge line. Right now, I know everybody do their edges different, but I just swoop them. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but I use my finger to guide me while I like swoop my edges. So I kind of like swoop it around my finger, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just keep swooping them until I get them to my liking. And I don't know if that helps explain how to do edges. This ain't no edge tutorial, okay? This is a hot puff tutorial. I can't help you with y'all's edges now, okay? Can't. But yeah, this is how I do my edges. Hey y'all, this is the final result of my puff. Came out really cute. If you like these videos, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll bring you more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.